In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make this curve through reference points. So first, I'm going to Control Tab back to my other part. Now this can be an exercise in frustration, so be patient. First thing I would do is I'd go to my helix and I would hide it. We don't need any more information here than is absolutely necessary because there is a lot. And I'm going to rotate my part around here because I know I want to start down here. So next I'm going to come up to curves, expand it, and I'm going to make another curve through reference points. And here's where we want to be really patient. First, uncheck close curve, and then we're going to work around our part. For the first point, we're going to choose this bottom point, and you might want to zoom in. And what I would suggest you do is go bottom, top of the next one, bottom of this one, rotate around, top of the next one, bottom of this, zoom out a bit, rotate around, zoom back in if it helps, top, bottom, rotate around, zoom in and out, again, top, bottom, and you want to watch you get the right point. It's really easy if you're not paying attention to do that. If you accidentally get the wrong point, as soon as you notice, right click on it and say delete. So then again, I'm going to rotate around a bit, make sure I can see it, and I'm going to go top of this one. Now I'm going to fit my geometry to the screen again, bottom of this one, rotate around, top, and then it's maybe getting hard to see, so I'm going to rotate around and I've lost my place. All right, it can be very confusing, so I'm going to go back and fit the geometry to the screen and try to be patient and get it in a view that works. Then I'm going to go bottom, rotate around a bit, zoom in, top, bottom, and at this point I'm going to stop and do myself a favor. At least this is how I would do it. I'd say, okay, I know it's not done, but then I'm going to select this surface and I'm going to hide it. I'm going to select this surface and I'm going to hide it. And I'm going to select a bunch of these surfaces and I'm going to continue to hide them, which will give me less visual distraction as I'm working on this. So all the surfaces I'm done with, whoops, I'm going to fit the screen again, zoom in, any surface I know I'm done with, I'm going to hide it. So I'm going to hide a bunch of these. I want to be careful I don't hide one I need. All right. So I've gotten the bottom of that. I might need it yet. I'll go back to where I left off, which is over here. So I've hidden a bunch I no longer need. If I've hidden one and I need it, that's fine. I'll just go back into here. I'll find it and I'll turn its visibility back on. So I'll minimize that. I'm going to go to my curve. I'm going to select it and I'm going to go back in and edit the feature, and I'm just going to keep working. So I've hidden this one and I didn't mean to, but that's all right because I want to go from it over here. All right, so I'm going top, bottom, bottom. I need this top, this bottom, rotate around, get the next one. Oops, wrong again, right click, delete. I meant to go top, zoom out again, then bottom, and then I'm going to rotate around, top. I'm going to fit the geometry to the screen. Again, I can expand this, I can expand these, and I can select these surfaces by right-clicking on them, and I can hide any surface body at any point in time I want without leaving the curve through reference point. So just keep doing that, be patient, work your way through, and you'll get it done so that it looks like this with all 61 vertexes selected. So then you can say, okay. And the last thing you should do is click on the surface bodies and hide them all. And now you have the curve